Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the AI class. So, this is your syllabus for the AI. AI portion, there are three units. First is Introduction to AI that we have almost completed. In this, we have just seen Introduction to AI applications, then the three important domains of AI. The first one is natural language processing NLP. Second, computer vision, that is CV. And the third, data science in AI. Then after, we have seen the different possibilities of AI different by watching different videos. The next chapter is AI project cycle, and the third unit is neutral network. So this whole it is comprises of total 60 marks in AI. 30 marks will be theory and 30 marks will be practical. The next is introduction to Python. Python is a programming language. As in class 8 also you have studied the basic of Python, you have done the programming also. So it comprises of total 30 marks, 20 marks theory and 10 marks practical. And the last one is co-curricular skills. This is 10 marks. So total syllabus is of 100 marks. In AI, total 100 marks is there, 50 theory and 50 practical. Though there are many different languages, different programming languages, basic, C, C++, right? But we have to study in this course Python. Now, let us see why Python for AI. Artificial intelligence is the trending technology of the future. You can see so many applications around you. If you, as an individual, also want to develop an AI application, so you must require to know any programming languages. And there are many programming languages like Lisp, Prolog, C++, Java, and Python, which can be used for developing applications of AI. And out of this, Python gains a maximum popularity because of the following reasons. The first reason is easy to learn, read, and maintain. Python is easy to learn. Anybody can start from the scratch. Then its interactive mode, portability, whatever the programs you are developing, it can be port to from one platform to any platform. Then it is extendable, then supports databases and scalable, a broad standard library. So these are the various reasons that Python gains a maximum popularity, right?